This is Tommy, the apprentice, making his TBE debut. Today we are installing the ceiling fan. So first step, make sure the power is off. Took a while to find it. It's handy to have your wife looking at the lights while you're flipping breakers. That's a key step. Life hack right there. I am. So after the power is off, I removed the cover plate, and now I've attached the support bracket. It's important that your box, your ceiling box, is rated to hold a ceiling fan. That is very key. And then when you attach your support bracket, you need to make sure that it goes through your rated box into a support stud. Next step, not sure yet. We're gonna refer to the TBE website and get back to you. Yep.